Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to talk about an interesting topic, money magnet, how to raise your vibrations to attract wealth effortlessly. In this video, we're going to explore the concept of vibrations and how they can impact our financial well-being. We'll also share some practical tips on how to raise your vibrations and attract wealth effortlessly. Vibrations are the energetic frequency that everything emits. Everything in the universe is made up of energy, including our thoughts and emotions. Our thoughts and emotions emit a specific frequency or vibration, which can attract or repel certain things from our lives. So, when we talk about raising our vibrations, we're talking about increasing the energetic frequency that we're putting out into the universe. Introduction: vibrations are the energetic frequency that everything emits. Everything in the universe is made up of energy, including our thoughts and emotions. Our thoughts and emotions emit a specific frequency or vibration, which can attract or repel certain things from our lives. So, when we talk about raising our vibrations, we're talking about increasing the energetic frequency that we're putting out into the universe. Our vibrations can impact every aspect of our lives, including our financial well-being. When we're emitting low vibrations like fear, doubt, and scarcity, we're more likely to experience financial struggles. On the other hand, when we're emitting high vibrations like gratitude, abundance, and joy, we're more likely to attract wealth effortlessly. Now that we understand the concept of vibrations, let's talk about how to raise them to attract wealth effortlessly. Here are some practical tips. Practicing gratitude is one of the most powerful ways to raise your vibrations. When we focus on what we're grateful for, we shift our focus from lack to abundance. This shift in focus can help us attract more abundance into our life. One way to practice gratitude is to start a gratitude journal. Every day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. They can be big or small things, anything that brings you joy and makes you feel thankful. By making gratitude a daily habit, you'll start to notice more good things happening in your life. Visualization is a powerful tool for manifesting our dreams. When we visualize our dreams, we create a mental picture of what we want to achieve. This mental picture sends a powerful signal to the universe, telling it what we want to attract into our lives. To visualize your dreams, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and imagine yourself living the life you want. See yourself enjoying financial abundance, living in your dream home, and doing the work you love. Make the visualization as vivid and detailed as possible. The more you visualize your dreams, the more real they will become. The people we surround ourselves with can have a big impact on our vibrations. When we're around positive, uplifting people, we feel happier and more inspired. This positive energy can help us attract more abundance into our lives. On the other hand, when we're around negative, pessimistic people, we feel drained and discouraged. This negative energy can lower our vibrations and make it harder to attract abundance. To raise your vibrations, surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. Seek out positive, supportive communities where you can connect with like-minded individuals. This could be a spiritual community, a networking group, or an online forum. Finally, taking action is essential to attract wealth effortlessly. When we take action towards our goals, we signal to the universe that we're serious about manifesting our dreams. This action also helps us build momentum and attract more opportunities into our lives. To take action towards your goals, break them down into smaller, manageable steps. Then, take action on those steps every day. This could be anything from sending an email, making a phone call, or attending a networking event. The more action you take, the more momentum you'll build, and the more opportunities will come your way. So there you have it, some practical tips on how to raise your vibrations and attract wealth effortlessly. Remember, the key is to focus on the good things in your life, visualize your dreams, surround yourself with positive people, and take action towards your goals. With these tools in your toolkit, you'll be well on your way to becoming a money magnet. By doing these things, you'll be on your way to becoming a money magnet. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.